Okay guys, now there are two ways to change the color of the terminal, either by modifying the profile of PowerShell and other command line applications, but it is a little difficult, so there is another way by using CodeRunner extension. If you haven't installed it, just go to Extensions Marketplace and just type CodeRunner. And here you are, click install. Once installed, just close the window here and remove this text. And here you are, let's do it. First, we must select the terminal that we are going to work with. Let's go to here and select default profile. Here we can choose between PowerShell and command prompt. We will show solution for both of them. Let's first work with PowerShell. Just click on it. And now go to CodeRunner extension settings. Just click here and then extension settings. In the search bar, just type exe, and here you are, Executor Map. Just click edit in settings, and here just click anywhere to get rid of this popping up window. And as you can see, as we are dealing with C++, then we should change some commands here. Let me show you what we are going to do. As you can see in yellow, the first command is cls, which will clear all extra text. The second command will change the path. As you can see, the terminal by default shows the path, and I think most of us don't like that. So this command will change it to this gray second, but you can change it and make it whatever you like. The third command will change the color, and here echo will give us a new line, and here will change the color of the those second. So let's copy all of it. And then let's select the commands for C++, and then just right click on it and click paste to replace it. Now as you can see, we must first save the file. Click save, and here you are. Let's see the change. As you can see, the result is much better. Be aware that still there is a small problem. If you close VsCode and run it once again, you will see that the path is here for the first time when you run VsCode. Of course, when you click run code, the path will go away. So if you want to get rid of the path completely, in this case you must change some settings related to PowerShell itself. So let's do it. So let's run PowerShell, and here we need to run some commands. Let me show you first which commands we are going to run it. The first command will allow us to create a profile so that we can change the settings of PowerShell. So just select it and copy it. Go to PowerShell and right click on your mouse to paste it here, and then click enter. As you can see, a profile has been created. Usually it is in Documents. So let's go to there, and here you are, Windows PowerShell. This is the profile, and you can open it with Notepad or any other text editor. The next thing, we must copy this command and paste it in the profile, and then file, save. Basically, this command will change the path to this symbol. You can change it to whatever you like. Close it here, and also you must close PowerShell. Now here we must run PowerShell as administrator. So click it and click yes. As you can see, there is a read warning here. That's because the default option doesn't allow PowerShell to read from files. So we must change that too. Let's copy this command, and once again right click by your mouse and click enter. Now it asks us to which policy would you like to change. This is a policy that will allow us to make PowerShell read from files. Also just copy it and right click on your mouse and then click enter. Now it asks us for yes or no. Just type yes, and here you are. Now everything should work. Let's first close PowerShell and run it once again, and here you are. Now if you go to VsCode and close it and run it once again, as you can see, the path gone away completely. Now if you run your code, it will be as usual. If you want to reset the settings of PowerShell, simply run PowerShell once again as administrator, and then copy this command to change the policy once again to restricted. Right click by your mouse to paste it here, and then click enter. Now just type restricted and click enter. It will ask you for yes or no. Just type yes, and everything now should work. Just close PowerShell and run it once again. Here you are. Of course, the profile is still there, so you can simply go there, documents, and here you are, and just delete it. If you close VsCode and run it once again, here you are. Once you click run code, of course, it will yield you the result that we want as usual. Now let's do it with command prompt. As usual, you must first select the terminal that we are going to work with. So go here and select default profile and choose command prompt. Once again, we should go to the settings. If this is not open, let me show you it once again how to open it. Simply go to extension, and for code runner, just click here and extension settings. Type here exe. Usually it is without exe, and here you are, Executor Map. Just click edit in settings, and here this is a long line that we have modified for C++. For command prompt, the command is smaller. CLS for clearing the extra text, color for coloring the terminal, the code output, and echo to give us a new line. So simply copy it, and let's select the whole text. It should be on one line, and just paste it. Now once again, you must save the file, and you must close this one because they are PowerShell. So close them and run code. This is the result. Now if you want to change the path in command prompt, there is no way to change it from here. We must change the command prompt settings itself. So let's change the settings of command prompt. Run it and copy this command, and simply it will change the path to this symbol, and right click by your mouse and then click paste and enter. Now if you close the command prompt and run it, here you are. Also if you close VsCode and run it once again, the result is the same. Now if you want to change it back, just copy this command and open command prompt, just right click and click paste and enter. Now if you run the command prompt, here you are. Also if you close VsCode, here you are. Of course, if you click run code, you will see the result.